In this After Effects tutorial, we will be creating neon lights on a car that you see on the screen. Let's get it done. So here we are in After Effects. We got this video over here, and don't think of this just for cars. We can use this effect for anything. So we will start by dragging this over here to new composition. So it will create a composition with the video settings. And now we want to go over here to window and check this tracker option. And go over here to tracker and select this track camera. Have this selected and select track camera. So this is basically telling us that let me analyze the background and then you can do whatever you want with the video. So this can take about 2 minutes or so. I'll be back when it is done. Okay, it's done, but it should be tracking the car and not places around here. So I'll adjust it over here by changing this shot type to variable zoom. Go to advanced settings and change this salt method to typical and give this a detailed analysis. So this will also take 2 minutes, so I'll be back right away. Okay, this will get the job done, so we will select apart from the car. So I'll select the wheel, click on it, right click, create solid and camera. We get a solid like this and scale it up if you want to. And now we will be using a plugin called Saber. So type in over here effects and presets, type in Saber, and don't worry about it, it's a free plugin on Google. Just type in Saber and you will be able to download it for free. So double click on it and we will be adjusting some settings on the left. So render settings and change this composite settings to transparent. Go to customize core and change this to layer mask. Change preset to neon. And go to flicker, change the flicker intensity to 100. Flicker speed to 3 and check this mask randomization. Now select pen tool and draw a mask around the wheel. So something like that. And let's check our animation. Well, this has a voice. I forgot to reduce it at the beginning, so we will fix it now. So go to the layer, the video layer, and press L and type in -50 over here. And now we won't be able to hear it. Looking good so far. We will do the same over here. So we will select this part. Right click, create solid, and scale it up. Like so, move it. And now add Saber to this as well. And do the same settings. So change this to neon. Go here, render settings, change this to transparent, customize core, change this to layer mask, and draw another mask. Okay, now we are going to animate this. So set starts offset at the beginning to 100 and go to 2 seconds. Now set this to 0. Let's have a look. And now we can add another animation. So go to 2 seconds and this time set a keyframe to end offset. Go to 4 seconds and set it to 0. So let's have a look at it. So it starts and then ends, and then starts again, and then ends. We are going to add this same effect to other parts of the car as well. So go to video layer and have this selected. Select another part over here. So I'll have it selected around here. Click on it, right click, create solid. Make the solid a little bigger. Adjust it like that. And add saber to this as well. Do the same settings. So change this to neon, render settings, composite settings to transparent, customize core to layer mask, and change this color to bright blue. And now we select pen tool and draw our mask. And now we will copy the keyframes for this one. Select those keyframes, copy those, and go to 1st second and paste those over here. So let's have a look. Okay, looking fine so far. We do same for the table, so have this selected. Select an area over here. Right click, create solid. Move this, we can adjust this. And add saber to this. Same settings, so composite settings, change this to transparent. Customize core, layer mask, and give it a neon preset. And select pen tool and draw a mask around it. Now we want to open flicker settings and change the flicker intensity to 100. Leave this at 15 and mask randomization. Check this and let's have a look at our animation. We will do the same for other parts of the car. Select this video layer, select this effect and choose a part from this. So let's see. Click on it, create solid, and go over here, press R and play with its orientation settings. So scale it up. And this will do. So add saber to this as well and add the same effects to those. So neon for preset, render settings, composite settings, change this to transparent, customize core, change this to layer mask, and let's draw a mask while having pen tool selected. And we are going to change this color to bright blue. And now we want to copy those keyframes that we have over here. Select those, Ctrl+C, and go to 2 seconds, and then paste those over here. So let's have a look now. Okay, now we need to adjust this mask over here on the table. So when it's on the right side, just have it selected and press M, set a keyframe to mask path, and when it starts to get messy, then go over here, zoom in, and press Shift, hold Shift actually, and click on one of those points, and then just fix those over here, move those to the right side. So we need to move this again, play the video. Over here it starts messing up, so we will fix that. Okay, let's move it. And should be good by now. So let's have another look. Lastly, we are going to change the color for the scene, and right click, go over here, right click, new adjustment layer, and move this over here so the neon lights don't get affected. So go to effects and presets. I'll be using a color preset that I have, so I'll type in cinematic and I'll choose this one. And let's have a look at our end animation. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing to my channel, like the video as well, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.